Hi, my name is Aslam Moolla and I am a registered attorney. Today's video we're going to be talking about customary marriages. In particular, what are your rights? What can you do? And this is not just for African customary marriages. It can be Hindu marriages, Islamic marriages, etc. What are your rights upon a divorce? Number one, do you have a marriage certificate? Usually, if you get married in a temple, mosque, or church, there will be a pastor, Moulana, or priest who's officiated that wedding ceremony. They can give you a marriage certificate, and there will be witnesses there as well. That is confirmation of your marriage. Number one, make sure you have a marriage certificate. Number two, did you sign an ante-nuptial contract? If not, and you have a marriage certificate, more than likely the court is going to deem that to be a marriage in community of property. These are some of the things to think about. Number three, do you have any children? You've got to think about the arrangements regarding that children. Who's going to have access, custody? Number four, maintenance after the marriage. Now, if your marriage is not legally recognized, let's say you don't have a certificate, it was done privately, there's no ante-nuptial contract, etc., you still have rights in the law. There's case law to show that you have a right to be maintained from your former partner. And this can apply to universal partnerships as well. If you'd like a review of your case and your rights, you're more than welcome to click the link below and book an appointment with our office. I wish you all the best, and I'll speak to you soon.